Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start data ethics with DataKind, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the core principles of data ethics. Recognize that data ethics involves the responsible use of data. Familiarize yourself with key concepts such as privacy, consent, and fairness. Next, visit the DataKind website for valuable resources. Review real-world case studies showcasing ethical data usage. Identify the specific ethical challenges relevant to your data projects. Consider forming a data ethics team within your organization. Engage stakeholders to discuss ethical implications of data use. Develop a comprehensive data ethics framework tailored to your needs. Incorporate guidelines on data access and sharing practices. Establish protocols for obtaining informed consent from data subjects. Evaluate your data practices against established ethical standards. Implement regular training for your team on data ethics. Encourage open discussions about ethical dilemmas in data usage. Document your data ethics initiatives and their outcomes. Continuously assess and refine your data ethics policies. Finally, create a culture of accountability around ethical data practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.